Samantala, kasama din po natin dito si Brigadier General Joselito Kakilala, tagapagsalita po ng AFP. General Kakilala, magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon, Jig.
Apo. Dito sa may all-out peace campaign,
Yeah.
pero meron ho tayong all-out offensive sa BIFF. Paano po natin i-reconcile? Ano po ba yung talagang pananaw niyo po dito?
For one, this endeavor is very good because it develops yung oneness among Christians and Muslims, that we are one nation and Filipinos, diba? And in so doing also, this develops yung cultural sensitivity natin, and later on, we believe in tranquility, harmony and peace among each other, and we will have a culture of peace. And I do hope that this will reign for about 2 decades, because it takes generations, especially in Mindanao, it takes generations na our young people, our young children would feel na there are no violence in their midst. They enjoy life, they can study well, their studies are not hampered, and they become good citizens in the future.
At karaniwan doon sa mga nararadicalize, yung pakiramdam nila di sila kabilang o wala po silang involvement sa lipunan. Dito po, parang may Muslim groups, may iba't ibang groups, may AFP, may PNP. So sa tingin nyo, malaking tulong po yung ganong aspeto?
Yeah, it's true. Ganito mga aktibidades, one of the radicalization strategies to prevent or drastically reduce violent radicalism and extremism. Basta may mutual trust tayo and understanding among each other, whether you're Christian or Muslim.
Apo, gaya po ng natanong ko kay Senator Rasul kanina, yung ganito po mga campaign dito sa Maynila, paano po natin matatranslate sa mga localities na apektado naman ng offensive ng AFP?
So we have to go to do more. We have to go and reach far beyond, not only here sa Metro Manila, but also lalo na sa Mindanao. We need more dialogues and discourse among each other, come up with peace-building mechanisms down to the grassroots. Kasi for one, yung culture of violence kasi sa atin lalo sa Mindanao, if you've heard about Rido, no? That's really disarm at causing disunity even within their yung Muslim community nila sa Muslim. Kasi minsan nga doon sa Basilan, it took 30 years na ayos yung rito naiwan na lang 2 fathers ng both sides, at isang fathers at mga babae, yung malalaki patay na, but it was settled recently lang, last year yata na settled. 30 years na rito yun. I do hope that kind of mentality will be removed also there, in the Muslim region also.
Sa ginagawa po operation ng AFP ngayon sa Maguindanao, ano na po ang update?
Okay naman, we are gaining significantly well sa mission namin. We are able to capture yung lair ni Ali Tambaco doon sa barangay Daksipil yata yan sa Mamasapano, kung saan yung bomb making factory niya napuha. Then several mga IED materials na recover natin. So this indicated na they were planning, ang BIFF were planning to conduct atrocities against the government forces, and including yung public and private installations, as well as mga innocent civilians. Whether we like it or not, they will really plan to conduct atrocity talaga. Mabuti lang na nagawa natin yung offensive operations against them.
Sir, yung pong parang bukas po yata yung deadline, so extended po ulit ito?
It will be Major General Pangilinan will conduct operational assessment if there's a need for the extension for another 72 hours. Kasi ang 72 hours dito is very di ba? Because this is within the mandate kasi sa ADJAG na when you go after lawless elements and high priority targets, you are allowed 72 hours provided that you coordinate with ADJAG.
Maraming po salamat sa pagkakataon,
Thank
sir,
you.
at sa mga impormasyon. Si General Lucelito, Brigadier General Lucelito Kakilala, siya po ang tagapagsalita ngayon ng AFP.